How to remove straps from Oculus Quest 2. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. So in this video I'm going to be guiding you on how you can remove the straps on your Oculus Quest. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. So basically you can see these straps now. Maybe it's dirty, maybe you want to wash it, or maybe you want to just remove it for some reason. Whatever the reason may be, it's actually very simple to do that. So first of all, we're going to remove the two sides, right? So let's get started with the right one. If you look closely here, you'll be able to see a thin line that is actually separating the headset from the strap. So all you have to do is just actually gently open this up. You don't really need to be scared because it's just going to pop up like that, as you can see. Now you can repeat the same process for the other side as well. As you can see, there is the same line separating them. Just go ahead and then just slide open like this, and you can see nothing is really broken over here because they seem perfectly fine. Now in order to remove the upper one, all you have to do is just open this up like this, and then once you do that, just pull this out and then your strap will be successfully opened up. And that's it on how you can remove straps on Oculus Quest. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.